Tiny Tinkles Little Musician Series presents Brownie Bear and Chloe Cat play loud and soft, finding the notes B and C. Brownie Bear loves to sing, but boy oh boy, he sure is loud. Roar! Roar! Let's find his favorite note and play it proud. Can you find a group of 3 black keys? 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! We found him. Brownie Bear is after the group of 3 black keys. Let's play Brownie Bear's favorite note, B. Roar, 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 roar. That was amazing! Brownie Bear and Chloe Cat are neighbors, but Chloe Cat loves to play soft because Chloe Cat is soft and sings so sweet. Shh. Meow, 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 meow. That was amazing! Brownie Bear and Chloe Cat. Let's play them together with our Tommy thumbs. Meow, 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 meow. One, two, ready, go. B, C, B, C, B, C. Repeat. B, C, B, C, B, C. Yay! We did it! More resources for little musicians at tinytinkles.com. See you next time!